High in the heart of the Peruvian Andes, a secret sleeps. It is a secret whispered on the wind, a secret shared by condors soaring above emerald valleys. This is the secret of Millpo. Imagine a place where time seems to stand still, a place where cascading waterfalls meet pools of water so blue, so vibrant, they seem to glow from within. This is Millpo, a hidden paradise in Ayacucho, Peru. It is a place where the earth reveals its artistry. Here, nature has painted a masterpiece of turquoise, emerald and azure. This is not just a destination, it is a dream brought to life. Millpo is a sanctuary for the soul. Here, worries fade like mist in the morning sun. The air is pure, infused with the scent of wildflowers and the sound of rushing water. The silence is broken only by the gentle whisper of the wind and the chirping of exotic birds. Millpo is a place to reconnect, to breathe, to simply be. It is a place to lose yourself in the beauty of the natural world. Millpo is a testament to the power of nature. Over millennia, mineral-rich waters have carved their way through the Andean landscape. This process has created a series of stepped pools, each one a unique shade of turquoise, emerald or azure. The colors are so vibrant, so otherworldly, that they seem to defy explanation. The pools are surrounded by towering cliffs and lush vegetation. Waterfalls cascade from one level to the next, creating a symphony of sound that echoes through the valley. The air is thick with mist, adding to the ethereal atmosphere. The Andes Mountains provide a dramatic backdrop to this natural wonder. Snow-capped peaks pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in emerald forests. The contrast between the rugged mountains and the delicate beauty of the pools is breathtaking. Millpo is a place where the raw power of nature meets delicate beauty, where the earth reveals its hidden treasures. The colors of Millpo are constantly changing, shifting with the light and the weather. In the morning, the pools shimmer like 1,000 jewels. As the sun climbs higher, the colors intensify, becoming almost blinding in their brilliance. At sunset, the pools take on a golden hue, reflecting the warm glow of the sky, and as darkness falls, the stars emerge, twinkling like diamonds scattered across a velvet cloth. But the beauty of Millpo is more than just visual. It is a place of profound peace and tranquility. The sound of the waterfalls is like a lullaby, soothing the soul. The air is fresh and clean, invigorating the body and mind. To stand at the edge of one of Millpo's pools is to experience a sense of wonder and awe. It is a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of preserving such special places. Reaching Millpo is an adventure in itself, a journey that winds through the heart of the Peruvian Andes. The first step on this journey is to reach the city of Ayacucho, often referred to as the City of Churches. Located in the southern highlands of Peru, Ayacucho is a city steeped in history and culture, a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Ayacucho is accessible by air and land, with regular flights arriving from Lima, Peru's capital city. The flight itself is an experience offering breathtaking views of the Andes Mountains. As your plane descends into Ayacucho, you'll be greeted by a panorama of terracotta rooftops, church spires reaching for the sky, and the rugged peaks of the Andes forming a majestic backdrop. Upon arrival in Ayacucho, take some time to soak in the city's unique charm. Stroll through the Plaza de Armas, the heart of the city, where you can admire the intricate architecture of the Cathedral Basilica and the surrounding colonial buildings. Explore the city's many churches, each adorned with intricate carvings and religious artwork. Ayacucho is a city that will captivate your senses, a place where history comes alive. But the true adventure begins as you leave the city behind and venture into the Andean highlands, your destination, the hidden paradise of Millpo. From Ayacucho, the journey to Millpo leads you deeper into the heart of the Andes. The next stop is Huancaralla, the gateway to Millpo. You can reach Huancaralla by public transportation or hiring a private car. Colectivos, shared taxis, are a common and affordable way to travel. They depart regularly from Ayacucho, following a scenic route. The journey offers glimpses of rural life, traditional villages, and breathtaking vistas. For a more comfortable experience, consider hiring a private car. This option allows you to stop at scenic viewpoints and explore at your own pace. The drive to Huancaralla takes about 2 hours. As you approach, the landscape reveals the rugged beauty of the Andes. Rolling hills dotted with llamas and alpacas stretch out before you. The air grows cooler, carrying the scent of wildflowers. Huancarela serves as the trailhead for the hike to Millpo. Here you can find basic accommodations, small shops, and friendly locals. Before embarking on the final leg of your journey, the hike to Millpo, it's crucial to be well prepared. The hike itself is classified as moderate, covering a distance of approximately 5 kilometers or 3 miles and taking around 2 to 3 hours to complete. The trail to Millpo is well defined, winding its way through stunning Andean scenery. Be prepared for varying terrain, including rocky paths, uphill sections, and stream crossings. Wearing sturdy hiking boots is essential to navigate the uneven ground and provide ankle support. Packing light is key, bringing only essential items in a comfortable backpack. Water is crucial, especially at higher altitudes, so pack plenty or bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up at Huancarela. Snacks like energy bars, nuts, and dried fruit will provide sustained energy throughout the hike. The weather in the Andes can be unpredictable, changing rapidly from sunny skies to chilly winds and even rain. Dressing in layers is advisable, allowing you to adjust your clothing according to the conditions. A hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen are essential to protect yourself from the intense Andean sun. Finally, it's always a good idea to inform someone about your hiking plans, especially if traveling alone. Let them know your estimated departure and arrival times, and provide them with contact information for local authorities in case of emergencies. Choosing the perfect time to visit Millpo is like selecting the right brushstroke to complete a masterpiece. The Andes, with their dramatic shifts in weather, add an element of unpredictability to this natural canvas. However, understanding the nuances of each season will allow you to experience Millpo in its full glory. The dry season, spanning from May to September, is widely regarded as the optimal time to embark on your turquoise adventure. During these months, the skies above Millpo are typically painted with brilliant shades of blue, mirroring the vibrant hues of the pools below. The air is crisp and clear, offering unobstructed views of the surrounding Andean peaks. The dry season also brings with it a sense of tranquility. The trails are less crowded, allowing for a more intimate connection with nature. You'll be able to fully immerse yourself in the symphony of sounds, from the gentle whisper of the wind to the cascading waterfalls that seem to echo the rhythm of your heartbeat. However, even during the dry season, the Andes can be unpredictable. It's always advisable to check the weather forecast before setting out on your hike and pack accordingly. Layers are essential, as temperatures can fluctuate dramatically throughout the day. As the dry season progresses, Millpo undergoes a transformation, its colors intensifying under the radiant Andean sun. From June to August, the turquoise pools seem to shimmer with an otherworldly glow. The sunlight, unobstructed by clouds, penetrates the depths of the pools, creating a spectacle of light and color. During these months, the surrounding vegetation is also at its peak. The hillsides are cloaked in a tapestry of green, dotted with wildflowers in a riot of colors. The contrast between the lush vegetation and the turquoise pools is simply breathtaking. The dry season also offers the best conditions for photography enthusiasts. The clear skies provide ample natural light, while the vibrant colors of the pools and the surrounding landscape create a photographer's paradise. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an amateur photographer, Millpo will undoubtedly inspire you to capture its beauty. However, even during the dry season, it's important to remember that Millpo is a fragile ecosystem. Respecting the environment is crucial to preserving its beauty for generations to come. Stick to designated trails, avoid littering, and refrain from using any chemicals or soaps in the pools. While the dry season may offer the most predictable weather, the wet season, from October to April, paints Millpo in a different light, draping it in an emerald embrace. During these months, the rains breathe life into the Andean landscape, transforming it into a verdant paradise. The waterfalls that cascade into Millpo's pools are at their most impressive during the wet season. The increased water flow creates a thunderous roar that echoes through the valley, a testament to the raw power of nature. The pools themselves, while potentially less turquoise due to the sediment stirred up by the rains, take on a milky, ethereal quality. The surrounding hillsides explode with life, a vibrant tapestry of emerald green. Wildflowers bloom in abundance, adding splashes of color to the already picturesque landscape. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and the sweet fragrance of wildflowers. However, hiking during the wet season can be more challenging. The trails may be muddy and slippery, and river crossings can be treacherous. It's essential to be prepared with appropriate footwear, waterproof gear, and a heightened sense of caution. Leaving the quaint town of Huancarela behind, you'll feel a shift in the air. The energy of anticipation crackles, mixing with the scent of eucalyptus and damp earth. The trailhead, marked by a simple wooden sign, beckons you forward, into the embrace of the Andes. The path at first is wide and well-trodden, a testament to the growing popularity of this hidden gem. Locals, their faces weathered by the Andean sun, pass by with a nod and a smile. As you ascend, the air grows thinner, cooler, invigorating your lungs with each breath. The sounds of the village fade behind you, replaced by the symphony of nature. Birdsong fills the air, a chorus of trills and whistles that echo through the valleys. Beneath your feet, the trail transforms, transitioning from packed earth to a rocky path. The landscape too begins to change, revealing the dramatic beauty of the Andes. Rolling hills, cloaked in a patchwork of emerald green and golden brown, stretch out before you. Herds of alpacas graze peacefully, their thick woolly coats blending seamlessly with the terrain. You'll find yourself stopping every few steps, compelled to capture the ever-changing scenery with your camera. The trail, though well-marked, presents its share of challenges. Steep inclines test your endurance, rewarding your efforts with increasingly breathtaking vistas. Rocky outcroppings require careful footing, reminding you to be present in each step. Yet, with every challenge overcome, a sense of accomplishment washes over you, fueling your desire to reach the turquoise paradise that awaits. Section 2. The trail unfolds. A tapestry of green and blue. As you delve deeper into the Andes, the trail narrows, weaving through dense vegetation. Towering eucalyptus trees form a natural canopy, casting dancing shadows on the path. The air is thick with their pungent aroma, a fragrance of ancient forests. The path descends, leading you towards the murmur of rushing water. You catch your first glimpse of the Millpo River, its turquoise waters shimmering. The sight is breathtaking, a preview of the paradise that awaits. Section 3. Nature's Amphitheater, a symphony of water and stone. Emerging from the dense vegetation, you'll find yourself standing at the edge of a natural amphitheater, carved from the Andean rock by the relentless flow of water over millennia. The scale of the landscape is awe-inspiring, a testament to the raw power of nature. Towering cliffs, their faces etched with striations of color, rise up on either side, framing a series of cascading waterfalls that seem to tumble from the heavens. The air hums with the sound of rushing water, a symphony of roars and whispers that echoes through the canyon. Spray from the falls creates a fine mist, coating your skin in a cool, refreshing layer. Sunlight, filtering through the mist, creates rainbows that dance across the surface of the pools below. The waterfalls themselves are a sight to behold, each one unique in its form and character. Some plunge from great heights, their waters crashing into the pools below with a thunderous roar. Others cascade gracefully over moss-covered rocks, their music a gentle counterpoint to the symphony of sound. As you stand there, mesmerized by the beauty of your surroundings, you can't help but feel a sense of insignificance in the face of such grandeur. The Andes, with their timeless beauty and raw power, remind you of the forces that have shaped our planet for millennia. Section 4. Pausing at the precipice, moments of reflection. Finally, after what feels like a journey through time and across continents, you round a bend in the trail and there it is, Millpo, in all its turquoise glory. The journey to Millpo is more than just a hike. It's a walk through a living museum of botanical wonders. The Andean highlands, known as the Puna, present a harsh environment for most plants, yet life finds a way. Among the many botanical wonders that grace the slopes leading to Millpo, one stands out for its unique beauty and resilience: the puya. As you traverse the path to Millpo, keep your eyes peeled for glimpses of the local fauna, for the Andean highlands are home to creatures as resilient and captivating as the landscape itself. The air above the trail to Millpo is alive with the sound of wings, a symphony of trills, chirps and whistles that echo through the valleys. Millpo, with its captivating beauty and unique ecosystem, stands as a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Yet this fragile paradise faces growing threats from human impact. As more travelers discover its allure, it becomes increasingly important to tread lightly and act as responsible stewards of this special place. Echoes of ancient weavers' textile traditions of Ayacucho. A tapestry of faith and folklore festivals of the Andes. Millpo, with its ethereal beauty and tranquil atmosphere, has long been a place of significance for the local communities. Millpo, the hidden turquoise paradise in the Peruvian Andes, beckons to those seeking adventure and tranquility. It's a place where cascading waterfalls meet vibrant pools, glowing from within. This is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you. Imagine standing at the edge of Millpo's pools, the cool mist kissing your skin. The air is fresh, infused with wildflowers and eucalyptus, invigorating your senses. The turquoise waters shimmer like jewels against the emerald green vegetation. The journey to Millpo is an adventure, a trek through the Andes with breathtaking vistas. Along the way you'll encounter the warmth and hospitality of the Andean people. Millpo is an invitation to explore, to connect with nature, and emerge transformed. The beauty of Millpo is an immersive experience that engages all your senses. The air carries the scent of wildflowers, eucalyptus, and damp earth, unique to the Andes. The sound of rushing water soothes and invigorates, echoing through the valleys. The taste of fresh spring water is a revelation, its purity a life-giving force. The feel of rough bark, smooth rocks, and soft petals connects you to the earth. Beyond the sensory delights, Millpo offers a feast for the soul. It's a place to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with nature. Whether meditating, gazing at condors, or breathing fresh air, Millpo calms the mind and soothes the spirit. This journey for the senses and feast for the soul will stay with you, a reminder of nature's beauty and tranquility. As more travelers discover the allure of Millpo, it becomes increasingly important to remember that this beauty is fragile, a delicate ecosystem that requires our respect and protection. The very act of visiting such a pristine environment carries with it a responsibility to minimize our impact and ensure that future generations can experience the same wonder and awe that we feel today. Practice leave no trace principles. Pack out everything you pack in, leaving no trace of your presence. Stay on designated trails to avoid trampling delicate vegetation and disturbing wildlife habitats. Be mindful of noise levels, respecting the tranquility of this natural sanctuary. Support local communities and businesses that prioritize sustainable tourism practices. Choose accommodations that minimize their environmental impact. Hire local guides who are knowledgeable about the region and committed to preserving its cultural and natural heritage. Most importantly, spread the word about responsible tourism. Share your experiences with others, encouraging them to travel consciously and tread lightly upon the earth. Educate yourself about the challenges facing Millpo and support organizations working to protect this natural treasure. Let us be mindful stewards of this hidden paradise, leaving only footprints and taking only memories, ensuring that the turquoise waters of Millpo continue to flow freely for generations to come.